So I'm going to show you how to clean and check a couple different parts on a set of millivolt vent-free gas logs. Most of the gas logs we have in sale are going to be like this, and so these are a couple common maintenance things that you can do to make sure your gas logs are working properly. If you're having issues either with the pilot light staying lit or with any of the switches turning on the main flame, this is what you need to be looking at. So I have one of our most common sets right here. I'm going to take off a couple of these logs so that you can see the pilot light itself. And so right where this pilot light is, you have a couple different sensors right here. You have the thermocouple, which is this sensor down here on the very bottom that I'm pointing at with my knife. And then you have this up here above the flame, which is the thermopile. Both of these two take the heat from the pilot light and actually convert it into just enough power to let the different switches and valves operate. So these things, as you can see, even on my set, it's got some white buildup on here and it's got some white buildup on here. What you have to do sometimes is you have to clean them. Now you can hire a company like us to clean it, or you can do it yourself, and I'm showing you how to do it yourself. What you will have to do is you will have to turn off the pilot light and you'll have to let it cool down. Probably take 10-15 minutes for it to cool down. Both of those two pieces, what you will need to do is you will need to take a plastic brush, kind of brush off any debris you can, and then take a piece of paper and run it across those two pieces, rubbing it like sandpaper. Do not use sandpaper. Sandpaper itself is way too strong of a material and will cause it to act up. But you can take a piece of paper, and in fact, a lot of different manufacturers will actually tell you to take a dollar bill, that the paper that dollar bills are made of is actually the right material for it. So you will just run it across the different parts, both this top piece and this bottom piece right here, and it will scrape a lot of that dust off. Spend about 5-10 minutes just kind of cleaning both of those off. Take you some compressed air when you're done and blow off all the dust, and that may get your log set working.